Welcome to my channel. This is that time of the year when you would have to swap out your winter tires with your summer tires. Now in the month of March, whenever the temperature goes beyond 7 degrees centigrade for consecutive 7 days, then you should understand that it is time for you to swap out your winter tires with the summer tires. Now in the province of Ontario, Canada, now if you want to swap out your winter tires with summer tires that you have as spare, but you have only one set of rims that is currently on the vehicle, then it costs around $140 for you to swap out your winter tires with summer tires. This is the price at Canadian Tires, and Canadian Tires is basically the standard. It's the same everywhere in Canada. So it is $140 plus taxes. So you would have to count 13% of tax. And Canadian Tires, they usually take appointments from Monday through Saturday, and on Sunday it is first come first serve basis. So this is the information that I wanted to give you with regards to the swapping of the winter tires with summer tires. And if you have any other information regarding cheaper places to go to swap out your winter tires with summer tires in Windsor, Ontario, then you can comment on this video. Usually for Canadian Tires, the appointments are already booked for the next 3 days out. So for example, if it is Friday evening today, then the appointments for Saturday, Monday and Tuesday would be booked, and you would get an appointment on Wednesday itself. So this is just a prediction and the average trend that I have seen across several Canadian Tires in the metro areas. And with this information, I would recommend you to plan accordingly and get your winter tires swapped with the summer tires. And happy summer. Thank you, take care, and bye bye. Please subscribe to my channel.